Today I want to show you our new power supply for the Illuminate panels. So you're familiar with these panels because we've been shipping them almost for 8 years now. It's a very, very thin panel, and we now have a very, very nice power supply, which coincidentally gives us a little bit more power than what we had before. So I want to show that to you. I'm going to show you the buttons here. We have a power button here. So when I tap this power button, you can see that the light goes on. I have it down here by my feet. This side over here is the plus and minus. It's well labeled, so I can go up to from level 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. Just use it at 5 if you can take that brightness. Just leave it at 5 at all times. If your client can't take the brightness, then you can lower it down 4, 3, 2, or 1, okay? So let me go back up to 5. And then this side over here is simply labeled time. So you can set the time. It starts out, first time I hit it, it says 5 minutes. So now we're at 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And that's it. Again, time up and down on the right-hand side here, power up and down on the left-hand side. So it's very easy to operate. Power comes in the bottom, comes out the top, very straightforward. When you go to turn it off with the power button, you're gonna see that it flashes at 10 Hertz, then it flashes at 40 Hertz, and then it turns off. I'm not going to talk about the 10 Hertz and 40 Hertz here. You can take a look at that on the internet and find out about that. If you're not familiar with it, just don't use it. Simply click it twice and the power will go off. Thanks. Hope you enjoy.